pandemic situation across the world as well as in India, that many companies are deducting the salaries of employees, or some companies are having their employees losing jobs, or some companies deducting their salaries. So even immigration department also, my dear friend, they are also losing employees, and they are also asking employees to go on long leave, affecting the processing of visas. So finally I think whoever is applying online H1 visas, you will get delayed. So my name is Balakrishna. Welcome to my channel Bala Online, and nice to hear you again, and I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm just going to share some more news on H1B visa. So let's start today's video. Okay, so welcome back again. So my name is Balakrishna. In case if you are new to this channel, and I usually upload videos on immigration and US visas regularly. So you can consider subscribing if you need regular updates on H1B visa or any other country visa. Guys, I think as initially told, your visa applications, especially H1B visa application, might get delayed because agency, nothing but immigration agencies are running out of funds. Guys, this is not impacted only in India or any other your home country, but also impacted the US also, where they apply for citizenship and green card, etc., due to this pandemic situation. Because guys, whether it is India or your home country or US, they mainly rely on the visa processing fees, the income to pay to their salaries, for the operations, etc. In case if they are not able to mobilize the money, so you can just think of how can they run the immigration agencies. So it is a difficult situation. More than 50%, nothing but equal to 19,000 employees are set to or asked to go on unpaid leaves due to this pandemic situation, because they might not be able to pay their salaries. So this means, guys, if 19,000 employees of immigration agency department they go on leave, you can just think who will process your visas. So this will also get delayed, my dear friends. Because I think already 11,000 employees have gone on leave, that is without pay, and for that being the reason currently B1 visa, B2 visa or any other green card, etc., will not be processed. So this is the impact. I would say this is a very big impact. This agency have already requested the US government for 1.2 billion US dollars to take care of this situation, and I think they need for 2 years to cope up the operations of immigration department and to pay the salaries. Also, guys, they have proposed that like 10% surcharge, nothing but additional 10% surcharge on all immigration petitions, so that even this will help in take care of the current operations. So guys, immigration experts says like if people, nothing but the workforce of immigration department goes on long leave, and if they continue go on long leave, so it will affect the processing of all kind of visas, and a backlog might pile up a lot, and the question mark is, will that stop the processing? I don't know, maybe that overall it may stop the visa processing, my dear friends, any kind of visa. So that's a question mark. So it is a high time to come out of this situation. So friends, as all of you know that like June 30th is the last date to process H1B visas, and I don't think agencies will achieve this deadline due to this pandemic situation, and due to this I don't think the companies will can send their employees to US before what I say, that 1st of October, which is the start date of visas. Guys, the logic is simple, guys. If there are no employees, there is no funds, I mean, who will process and how they will process is very difficult. So I think until and unless everything becomes normal, so all kinds of visas is going to affect. So I hope not even India, not even your home country, even the US situation becomes all right very soon, so that each and everyone who is willing to go to US or apply for a job, something like they can better take the opportunities. Otherwise they have to wait for I don't know what long, but at least this 2020 is a question mark. Guys, over the last 2 months, if you know that everyone is applying the immigration petitions online, and USCIS is accepting online all the petitions. However, most of the cases are under hold for specific visa categories, because US government recently holded all the visa categories for some of the visa categories for like immigrant category. But however, even this is also applicable for non-immigrant as well, which is a question mark again when I mean it will come in the normal situation. What I feel is, at least US government have holded immigration petitions. That's fine, because at this situation we don't want, or they don't want anybody to immigrate. But however, I think that like once the situation comes normal, they should extend, you know, like they have to give some kind of relaxation for the non-immigrant visas like B1, B2 or H1B. So I know immediately it's not possible, well, but at least, you know, once the situation goes fine at, I would say, third quarter of this year 2020, so it should be fine. If not, at the most, you know, first quarter of 2021, I think. But after this year, I hope 2021 will be very, very fine for everyone, whether it is B1, B2 or H1B. So with this said, guys, this was a small video and update for you, and in case if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends who is looking for H1B visa update. And in case if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell, so that whenever I upload H1B visa update or any other US visa update, you will get to know immediately. So until next video, see you, bye bye, take care, be safe.